Hi there. Today we're going to review 1-9 direct variation, independent practice number 1 through 7, page 85. Monica's mulching her front yard. The total weight of the mulch varies directly with the number of bags of mulch. What is the rate of change? Okay, I like to look at these with a table. So again, I'm going to set up my table bags over weight. Okay, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to take the points from the graph and put them in here. So we have 0, 0, and then we have 1, 30, we have 2, 60, and then we have 3, 90, and then we have 4, 120. Okay, so all I did was put them in a table for us, and then I'm just going to set up my ratios. So again, we're going to do our y over our x. Okay, so we got 30 over 1, 60 over 2, 90 over 3, and 120 over 4. And these all equal each other because they all end up to equal 30. So the direct variation, or the number that's being multiplied by the number of bags, is going to be 30. Okay? All right, number 2, the Spanish club held a car wash to raise money. The equation equals y equals 5x, represents the amount of money y club members made for watching x cars. Identify the concept of proportionality and explain what it represents. So remember, our direct variation equation is y equals kx, and the number k is the number that's being multiplied, which is 5. So your direct variation is 5, and the club members made $5 for each car washed. A technician charges $25 per hour plus $50 for a house call to repair home computers. Make a table and a graph that shows the cost for 1, 2, 3, 4 hours of the home computer repair service. So it's important first that we take this and decide what we're going to do with it. We have your cost is going to equal $25 per hour. So I'm going to say $25 times the number of hours, and then they said plus 50. So if we're trying to fill in our values, for 1 hour it would be 25 times 1 plus 50. That's how we got 75. And then for 2, it's 25 times 2 plus our 50. That's how we got 100. And then so and so forth. If you want to do 3, um, that's how we got 125. Okay, so that's how we figured out our costs. As soon as we figured out our costs, we could then fill it into our table. So we have this graph right here. So automatically you can do this 2 ways. You can look at the graph and say whether it's proportional or not, or you can look at the table and do the ratios and find out if it's proportional or not. Either way, the answer is no. Because when you set up your ratios, like 75 over 1 equals 75, and then 100 over 2, that equals 50. So the ratios don't equal each other. So you can say that way. Or you can say, hey, take a look at the graph. It is a straight line, but it doesn't go through the origin, which is 0, 0. So if it's not proportional, there is no direct variation. Okay? All right, so we're going to determine whether each linear relationship is a direct variation. If so, state the constant of proportionality. Again, get used to setting up the change in y over the change in x. So 24 over 3, 32 over 4, 40 over 5, and then 48 over 6. These all equal 8. So if all of the ratios are equal, it's proportional. So that's yes equals 8. All right, so our next one, um, again, let's set up our change in y over our change in x. We've got 60 over 185. We've got 115 over 235, 140 over 275, and then 180 over 325. So you're going to go ahead and start dividing those. So 60 divided by 185, that equaled just about, I'm going to 0.324. Okay, then 115 divided by 235, that equaled 0.489. So automatically you'll see that two ratios aren't equal, so that's why it's a no. Here's example number 6. Again, set up your y over your x. So 12.5 over 5, then 25 over 10, then 37.5 over 15, and 50 over 20. These all equal 2.5, so the direct variation, or what we like to call it, is k, is 2.5. All right, and our last example, our game and our points. So again, y over x. So 4 over 2, 5 over 3, 7 over 4, and then 11 over 5. So 4 over 2 is 2. 5 divided by 3, that was 1.6 repeating. So automatically, you saw that two of the ratios aren't equal. So that's why that's a no. Alrighty. Hope that video was helpful. Thank you. Bye.